Hi everybody, here we have the Beretta 92FS in the 9mm and the .22 exchange possibility. It's a great set. It's very easy to change from 9mm, as you can see. There's a little push, remove the top side and it's almost done. Remove the magazine and then you can put a 22 set in front, and you can see it's very simple. As everybody knows, the 9mm ammunition will cost a lot more than the 22 long rifle, so it's cheaper to practice a lot more, and the pistol is the same. So you're getting used to all the ways to handle the gun. And as you can see, there we have him, the 22. To put the 9mm set back, it's almost the same. Lock it, remove the top side. Magazine is already out. Put a 9mm top on top, sorry, and it's almost done. Put the magazine inside and it's ready to go. To clean it, it's also very easy. I prefer to use a bore snake. Always keep in your mind that the bore snake has some brushes in the rope, and you don't want to put it from front to back, back to front, etc. Just let it follow the way the bullet is traveling. I'm not the owner of this gun. The owner was very kind to let me make this video. I had some questions about the Beretta because it's a, well, maybe not just very much in use. I think worldwide it could be the most used pistol there is. Some people say it's the 6-hour 226. I'm not sure. I think it's the Beretta, at least in the 9mm. There are several parts that are very easy to clean. As you can see, this is not the way I would hold the barrel, but for the owner this was working. And if you put the bore snake, I think 2 or 3, maybe 4 times through the barrel, it will be just as clean as possible. This is just a very simple way to clean it very quick. If you want to do a great maintenance, use some oil, some cloth, and just keep cleaning, let the oil soak in, and keep cleaning with every time a fresh cloth, so everything will be in perfect condition as long as you keep it clean. Every time you want to use it and it's clean, it's going to function the way it's supposed to. Always check if it's working, so it's very important that you put the magazine. Here we have some detailed photos. The sights are great. It's a very solid gun. Well, I hope you liked what you've seen. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment box below. I might do something with it. Any particular questions, just ask. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.